and I'm under the PEC book, and I'm going to go to WebAssign. All right, and now what I've set up in WebAssign for you previously, and I'm talking about now, these things would go with any of our books. So they're not unique to any of the books. So I'm at this practice part here. All right, one, if you go to the new problem types for stats and click on it, whoops, I shouldn't have done that, excuse me, and click on the view. It's going to show you all these new problem types that I've talked about with you. But if we scroll down, I have some that are the JMP applets. All right, so these make use of real data. They do not need JMP, it's built into this, and then they would answer the questions with those. All right, also with data we have a number of labs. All right, so if I go up to a problem, I've got a couple here that are labs. Okay, these labs, this one is set up with Excel, but we have special ones for an Excel. There's ones for JMP also, or there'd be a lab for, different software packages. So you just pick the lab or the software you want to use. So it would be JMP, and so they make great use of data here. So they give some background, they talk about the data, where it comes from. So students are doing a great job working with real life data. So you can play with those within your own assignment here that I've created. We can also show you how you can look at what's available for them. Just a second here. So now I'm back to your class here. And if you go up to create an assignment, and you can just, this is just what you can preview what's available. And click on your question browser, and we're going to go up to PEC, and to reiterate, this would be similar for all of our books. So whatever chapter you go on, you notice down here, JMP simulation. So there's 13 of those applets that go with this book. And as you know, you can click on this and it would show all of these applets and problems for you. All right, so that's how you can see how they use JMP in each chapter. All right, then what you can also do in that question browser is, for each chapter there's labs, and notice there's 6 labs, but there's really only 1 lab per book. See, this one is on Excel, and then the next one is on JMP. All right, so they're the same lab. But as you can see with these, if you're looking at really working with real life data, they're going to compare gas and mileage, and you can click on about the data, and it talks about, okay, this data is coming from the Department of Transportation, and prices, and so on. So they're making use of real data to do these problems. So if you're looking at more ways of using data, the labs and those JMP applets are great ways of doing it. So let me know if you have any other questions or if there's anything else I can help with. Thanks, and have a great day.